Hi everyone, good morning everyone. Right, this is new Walarano Health Center where me funded by Australian government. Walarano Health Center me located on northeast of Malekula. For those of you who will know sabe where na Walarano located me located on northeast of Malekula. And me come under Malamba province. Right, walarano Health Center has been destroyed by a cyclone since 2019 finish. And since then, Walarano community only no fully receiving health services inside the community block. The 2019, me come start work for place come work for one small house no. Me facing full of challenges. Can we walk under this small house? Because of them, you looking some privacy and also role patient and little bit one challenges when facing. But this time also we got plans by mass. We strangled mass new else in the mass almost building back. And during that time also me make more awareness around the community below Walarano. I think all man place here all no trust him too somehow we go around and also we try best lo mino blossom lo community that is ini sabab make back this health center no even though it taken time lo building, but yes God then got plan lo every something and we like for thinking to mass Australian government lo funding this new health center lo Walarano. And you may also looking forward for the completion of this health center. Thank you very much lo support block community lo Walarano and also support block Paris Council lo Walarano and even school administration and the surrounding community inside Walarano. Thank you very much. We continue to support each other until project planning and finish.